Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be filming this fall makeup look. I did like pretty, not simple eyes, but I did like neutral, kind of sort of matte with a little bit of glitter right there. And I really did a dark vampy lip. It is actually not fall at all. It is like 80 degrees outside, but I am craving fall. I cannot wait for fall. So I really wanted to do a makeup tutorial based around fall. Yeah, that's pretty much it. If you like my video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And that's pretty much it. So without further ado, let's get into the makeup video. So I know I look very different from my intro, but right, I just did my base. I left the bake under my eyes, so when I do my eye makeup, it doesn't fall on my face. I usually do my eyes first, but I figured it would just make it easier if I did my base first and then moved on to my eyes and my contour and highlight and stuff for the video to make more sense. The first thing I'm gonna go in with, I'm gonna go this shade out of the Jaclyn Hill palette. You can go in with any sort of like transition shade you want. This one is a little bit more like yellow tone, and I'm gonna go in with just a basic blending brush and put this into my crease. Just continue to blend this until it looks good. So the next shade I'm going to take is actually right next to it. On camera, it looks a bit more red, but in person, it's like an orangey red. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to take the Morphe 433 brush, and I'm just going to start blending this on the outer crease. I don't know if I want to do wing liner or not today. I think I'm going to do it. Maybe like a half cut crease. I don't know. I didn't really know what I was doing when I jumped into this video. I'm going to go back in with this brush and just blend the two together. So the next shade I'm going to take, I think I'm going to mix this like dark brown and like this like burgundy, not burgundy. It's like a purpley, almost black brown. So I think I'm going to mix the two, and I'm just going to pop this onto my outer corner. This I'm going to really keep close to right here. I'm not really going to blend it up super high. And I'm going to take it on a pencil brush. This is from Beige Cosmetics, I think. And I'm going to just take this and focus it on the outer corner of my eye. Yes, I'm really just like focusing this on my outer corner, making sure it's super duper packed in there. So now I'm just gonna go back in with the Morphe 443 or 433. Yeah, I had it right. I think I might have said 433. And I'm just gonna blend the outer corner out. And I'm not like bringing up, but I'm just blending the edges so everything is seamless. So now that I have done all like the darker shadows, I'm gonna wipe away my bake so I don't look like super cakey or anything. So now I'm gonna cut my crease. I'm gonna do it like very, not sloppily, but it's not gonna be like a very defined cut crease because I am gonna put a shadow over top. But I'm just gonna take this on this brush. I don't take a lot because I don't want it to be like too over pigmented with concealer. Wake up. So yeah, so I'm gonna cut my crease. I'm only gonna show you one eye and then I'm gonna do the other off camera. There was just a flash outside my window, but I'm in an upstairs floor and it's daytime. That doesn't make sense. So now I'm just gonna mix them. Now I'm just gonna blend them together, make sure everything's like going together. Yeah, I think I'm gonna take out of, I don't like the Huda Beauty palette. I can literally go on, but I do like the mirror in it. It's really nice. I don't really love this palette. Like I don't use it a lot just because I feel like it's really overhyped. Like It's definitely not as good as people make it out to be, but some of the shades are okay. I'm gonna go in with Nefertiti, I think it is, that one right there. I'm gonna go in with Nefertiti on my lid. I might mix a little bit of the shade next to it. I think it's called Celestial, just because I don't want it to be too bright of a gold. Like, I don't want it to be like light. And I'm just gonna kind of sort of set this concealer on my eyelid. So this is what the eyes are looking like so far. I'm gonna smoke out my lower lash line. When I smoke out my lower lash line, I usually typically just follow what's on the eyes, unless I want to make the under eyes look different. Like, that's the goal. I usually kind of sort of follow the same shadows that are in the crease, so I will show you guys, but it is pretty much the same exact shadows as the top of the eyes. So the first shade I'm going to go in with this one, then this one, and then those. And I kind of sort of blend them together. And I think this really helps complete a makeup look. See, I just blend them together. And I am gonna go into, I'm gonna go back in with this Morphe brush and then just kind of sort of run it on there. Kind of sort of make sure all the shades. Well, I know you're probably like, wow, that was brought down really, really far. You got punched in the face. But when you put on mascara and stuff, it really, really pulls the whole thing together. I think now, just to add a little bit more to my eyes, I'm gonna go in with a heavy metal glitter liner. This one I think is discontinued. This is in the shade Baked, but just any like coppery color. And I'm just gonna like, I do this a lot. I just like go in and then I just like tap it around. And this will kind of sort of add a little something to the eyes, make them pop a little more. Do you just see it just adds a little bit of sparkle? Now I'm going to do wing liner. This is my all-time favorite liquid liner in the world, and it is so cheap. It is my favorite. You will never see me use another black liquid liner. It is my favorite. This is the Wet n Wild Mega Liner. This stuff is amazing. I get so many questions about wing liner because I wear it a lot. It is one of my favorite makeup trends. I don't care if it ever goes out. It is my favorite. This is the best one, by far, the cheapest, the best. It is literally $2 at any drugstore you go to that sells Wet n Wild, and it's amazing. But yes, I'm gonna do this. I'm not gonna explain it. I'm just gonna let you watch. If you guys want a tutorial, let me know, like a complete separate one. But I'm just gonna do it, and you guys can watch. See, I just think it pulls it together, and like with lashes and stuff. So now I'm gonna do the other one off camera, and then I will be right back. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna curl my lashes, and put on mascara, and then I'm gonna put lashes. So as you can see, I got the lash on, and I did this inner corner, but what I do is I pretty much go in just like that, just to make the inner corner kind of sort of seamless with the actual lash, just to connect them. So now I'm going to go in with my Shade and Light palette to contour my face. You guys know the drill. The middle shade is my favorite. Going in with the BH Cosmetics 126 brush. I like BH Cosmetics brushes. I really wanted to try the Jaclyn Hill palette. The Jaclyn Hill brushes from Morphe. Oh, I'm just going to like bronze contour my face. I always do this brush. It is my favorite. I think it does a really good job at contouring. But I love this bronzer slash contour, especially for like this eye look. I feel like it goes really well with the tone. And I'm just gonna mix these two. I do take a little bit of the gray tone so that way I can actually contour it. And I'm gonna do a whole separate tutorial on this, but I basically run it down the sides of my nose at first, kind of sort of bringing it in a little bit, like putting it not on the front of my nose, but like on the really close side to the front, Now I'm gonna go in with it right under my tip on my nose. Now I'm gonna go in with any blush you want to use. If you don't want to use blush, you don't have to. I don't always use blush, but with this look, I really think this blush will look good. This is my favorite blush, and it is discontinued, and I know a lot of stuff in this video is discontinued. I apologize. This is a Milani blush. They have really, really good blushes, so just find whatever color you like. This one is in the shade Terrasol 04. They do not sell it anymore. I don't know why, but I still have it, and I'm gonna use it. And I kind of sort of focus on the backs on my cheeks. I don't really bring it right here, but do you see the difference? Like, I think that it adds a good warmth to my face. So now I'm going to use the same highlighter I was using in my last video with this brush. I think this is an eye blending brush, but I like it for highlighting, so I use it for highlighting. I'm going to go in with Marble Desperate Spray. This is literally empty. I need a new one so bad. I'm like tilting it to the side.
So just like, I'm sorry, also like a little boy, but why was I talking so fast? Like, I'm literally sitting there talking so fast and I don't even understand what I'm saying. But pretty much I'm using an Anastasia glow kit in that glow from my last video, and I'm spraying this brush with Mario Badescu spray.
Now I'm going to go in with my glow kit. This is the That Glow Glow Kit by Anastasia. I'm going to go with Dripping in Cold. This is cracked, but I don't care, and it really, really helps just like make your highlight really pop. And I am gonna put this also as well on my brow bone. For the bridge of my nose, I'm gonna go in with this brush. I don't really know. And for this, my nose, I'm gonna go in with Sunburst, which is the yellowy white. It's not white, it's like yellow, and I prefer it over a white highlight. Even though it's still light and still gets the job done, it's not stark white. And I just put it on the tip, and there, I skip right there. It will help with your nose contour to make it look more believable. So the shade that I picked out is a Jeffree Star liquid lipstick. This is in the shade Designer Blood. You can use Unicorn Blood. I have that too, but I was just feeling this one. The tone I liked a little bit better. So I'm just gonna go in with this and put it on. You can use a lip liner if you want. I don't feel like it, so I'm not. You can do what you want. I'm just gonna put this on. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Again, if you did, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. And put down requests below on what you would like to see from me. So I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.